Okay. Tell him to come.
Riley, Riley, come.
Say-
Riley, come.
Say it louder.
Riley, come. Riley, come. Riley.
Now can you have him sit?
Sit.
You have him shake?
Shake. Good.
Shake with the other paw? Nope, sit.
Other paw. Oh, not this one.
Hold your hand over that, farther that way.
Hey, Riley. Other paw. Look.
Say shake.
Shake. Shake. Oh,
Riley.
shaking.
Okay, gotta train him then. Now try it again.
Shake.
No, other paw. No. Other paw.
He doesn't do the other paw.
Yeah, he does.
No, he
She's
doesn't.
gonna teach him. Riley, shake.
Other paw.
No.
Oh, not
You gotta
that.
hold your hand too far over the other way. Now say it again.
Riley, other paw. Other paw.
Now say shake.
Shake. Shake. Shake. Just shake.
Grab his paw. Why
Shaking.
don't you grab his paw? Just grab his paw, Haley. Which paw? Hey. Sit. Shake. There
Shake.
you go.
There you go.
Now do it again. But make
Now
him
see if
give
you
it.
can get him to do it again.
Shake. No. Shake. Nope.
Down. Roll over. Riley, roll over. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Down. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Oh, he's chasing light from the window.
Why don't you take a picture of him doing that?
Riley. Speak. Riley. Can you make him shake again? No, Haley. No more light. Haley, no. Haley, can you make him shake?
Okay. Shake. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
There you go.
Shake. Other paw. Other paw.
Shake.
Shake. Shake.
Shake.
Shake. Oh, not that paw.
That's okay. Can you make him roll over? Down.
Down. Down. Down.
Good. Down.
Down. Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over. Roll over.
Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Come on. Come on, Riley. Turd.
Roll over. Really?
Riley.